It wouldn't be a proper remodel without new flooring. And of course, we're installing nothing but the best for our veterans.
As you can see, we still have a lot to do. And if you guys hadn't stepped up from Floor Decor, I don't know what we would have done for flooring. Organizations like Oscar Mike need the love given by their community. So helping out with a project like this is so important.
Floor Decor Cares is a store-driven initiative that we have where our stores naturally go out into their local communities and find largely veteran-based organizations to come and help. And that's why this project is really near and dear to our hearts today.
It's gonna be a lot of work ahead of us, but we are not gonna demo this floor and we are gonna lay it on top, which, Josh, that's okay, right?
Absolutely. The thing with floating floor like this, it's a luxury vinyl plank, is it can go over an existing ceramic or porcelain tile like that is down. It's quite easy to do, and it's an installation method that is easy for anybody. The material that's made out of is resin-based, so it's not going to take on water. It's kind of like water and oil, they don't mix. So this product is not something that's going to soak up water, and it's not going to swell, it's not going to warp, it's not going to take on water.
And that being said, it's also safe for animal and like spills and whatnot.
If you have somebody that has a wheelchair or things of that nature, it's going to hold up to it great. You're not going to have to worry about it scratching, things like that.
Well, that's why this new core product's so important for the Oscar Mike Foundation, because this place sees a lot of veterans coming through it. It's almost like high traffic commercial wear, and this is going to be perfect for them, let alone that the design snob in me loves the way it looks, because you can't go wrong with walnut looking beautiful.
Absolutely.
And not only are you helping us with the kitchen floor, you are helping us with the bathroom floor as well. And I have to say, everyone's doing wood tiles, but are they doing blue wood tiles?
The color,
right?
I mean,
it's amazing stuff.
It's amazing. The way that this marble mosaic and that accent
I know, it's almost
tile gonna play off of each other. It's like they were meant for each other.
I know, it's like a brilliant designer picked them out.
We also have free design services for the pros as well as the homeowners if you aren't lucky enough to have a designer such as yourself.
Right, I know. It won't put me out of a job, so I think it's awesome that you offer that, let alone it's a one-stop shop. So you can go in and get every single thing that you need for a remodel.
Right, legitimately anything from wood to your setting materials, your grouts and sealers, we have it all. And you know, just flooring alone, we have over 1 million square feet in stock. So we can
pretty
fulfill any
impressive.
job
At everyday low prices.
I think the thing is this is, these guys, more than anyone, need that extra like hug to the soul that says we care about you and you're doing great and this is just a moment. But we have a lot to do. So as Oscar Mike would say, we've got to get on the move.